Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this colorful look. I'm using the Cara palette and La Dama de Flores. Looks like that. I think I have done a look with this before. I try to use all of them and do a different look. These are the colors, so spring appropriate. I wanted to give it like, I want to say like a butterfly look. I think it's okay, except I feel like this eye is a little bit lower, the colors, than this one. This one I feel like needs like a little lift, but this is a palette. Tell me what you think. Something nice, something not too much, I feel, for spring, summer, you know, perfect for those tropical vibes. I did a little wing liner. I did a little blue towards the bottom just to like give it a little something. Let me know what you think. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. I do makeup tutorials, hauls, which I'm about to do. I don't know if you can see some stuff hanging there. Makeup tutorials, hauls, home decor. I'm gonna show you guys something I picked up in the haul. I'm jumping off everything here. If that's something you'd be interested in, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into it. so this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I really like it. I feel like it's very butterfly-y. I could put some dots in it to make it a butterfly look, but you know, once I start touching stuff, it just goes all the way back bad. So this is the look. Again, I feel like this eye is a little more lifted than this one, but we're gonna ignore that. That's what happens when you have hooded eyes. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video, which is probably gonna be a haul.